Welcome to DU Public School, Chandigarh. Myself Jasmine Misra. Today I will teach you Standard 5 Mathematics Chapter 8, that is Measurement. And students, your topic is Operations involving measurement. So before going to the topic, first of all we have to know what is measurement. Measurement is finding a number that shows the size or amount of something. So students, there are two main systems of measurement in the world. One is the metric system, another one is the US standard system. In each system, there are different units for measuring things like volume and mass. So students, this is the metric units for length, weight and capacity. So students, here you see that metric units for length are kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. Similarly, for the weight, it is kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram and milligram. And for capacity, it is kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, liter, deciliter, centiliter and milliliter. So dear students, if you want to convert the bigger unit to smaller unit, you have to multiply the bigger unit by 10, 100, 1000 and so on. Similarly, if you want to convert the smaller unit to bigger unit, you have to divide the smaller unit by 10, 100, 1000 and so on. So students, using this table, we can do 4 operations involving these measuring units. So students, you all know that 4 basic operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So students, we will discuss one by one by taking examples. Okay, so let us take an example. Add 5 kilometer, 7 hectometer, 8 decameter with 4 kilometer, 9 hectometer and 6 decameter. Students, first you have to arrange these units in column. Then accordingly you put the number 5 kilogram, 7 hectogram, 8 decagram. Then again 5 kilometer, 7 hectometer and 8 decameter. Then 4 kilometer, 9 hectometer and 6 decameter. Here how you add? 8 plus 6 is 14. 4 you keep here, then 1 you take, then 9 plus 7 is 16, plus 1 is 17, 7 you keep here, then 1 you take, 5 plus 4 is 9, then 1 is 10. So the required result is 10 kilometer, 7 hectometer and 4 decameter. Also you can do this addition by converting the measures into kilometer. So 5 kilometer, 7 hectometer, 8 decameter is equal to 5.78 kilometer. And 4 kilometer, 9 hectometer, 6 decameter is equal to 4.96 kilometer. Now we can add these two and get the result 10.74 kilometer. Let us take an example for subtraction. So students, subtract 4 liter 2 deciliter 6 centiliter from 9 liter 7 deciliter and 3 centiliter. So students, similarly you have to arrange these units in column and put the numbers accordingly. So 9 liter, 7 deciliter and 3 centiliter, in 4 liter, 2 deciliter and 6 centiliter. Here what you do? Here this is 13. 13 minus 6 is 7. Then here 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. Then 9 minus 4 is 5. The required difference is 5 liter, 4 deciliter, 7 centiliter. Again, we can subtract it by converting the whole measures into liter. So 9 liter, 7 deciliter and 3 centiliter is equal to 9.73 liter. 4 liter, 2 deciliter, 6 centiliter is equal to 4.26 liter. Now we can subtract it and get the result 5.47 liter. Understood? Now let us take an example for multiplication. Let us multiply 4 gram, 8 decigram, 7 centigram with 4. Again, here you arrange the units in column and put the numbers accordingly. So what you get? 4 7 ja 28. 8 you keep here, and here you take 2. Then 4 8 ja 32 plus 2 is 34. Here you take 3. Then 4 4 ja 16 plus 3 is 19. They will get 19 gram, 4 decigram and 8 centigram. Also we can do this by converting the measures into gram. That is 4 gram, 8 decigram, 7 centigram is equal to 4.87 gram. Then now you multiply by 4 and get 19.48 gram. Okay. Now let us divide 38 meter to decimeter 5 centimeter by 9. Here you have to convert the measure into meter. 38 meter 2 decimeter 5 centimeter is equal to 38.25 meter. So here you see 38.25 divided by 9. What you will get? 9 4 ja 36. 38 minus 36 is 2. Now you bring down 2. Then 9 2s are 18. 22 minus 18 is equal to 4. Now you bring down 5. Then we will get 45. 9 5 ja 45. So 45 minus 45 is 0. Understood? Similarly, we can do these 4 operations by taking example of some word problems. Here you can see the picture Ayush and his mother. In the evening, Ayush goes to a clothing store along with his family, along with his mother. His mother asks for 2 meter 53 centimeter of cloth for a dress, and Ayush buys 2 meter 10 centimeter of cloth for a shirt. How much cloth do they buy? So students, here question, the data is given. His mother asks for 2 meter 53 centimeter of cloth for a dress, and Ayush buys 2 meter 10 centimeter of cloth for a shirt. Now what you have to do here? How much cloth do they buy means total cloth you have to find out. So you have to add here 3 plus 0 is 3, 5 plus 1 is 6, and 2 plus 2 is 4. So total cloth is 4 meter 63 centimeter. Therefore they buy 4 meter 63 centimeter of cloth. Okay, let us take another example. 1 liter of water is poured into a glass having a capacity of 300 milliliter. How much water left in the bottle? Students, you know that 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter, and after pouring the water into a glass whose capacity is 300 milliliter, then the water left in the bottle is 1000 minus 300. 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0, 10 minus 3 is 700. They will get 700 milliliter of water left in the bottle. Okay. So, another one example, if Suman drinks 550 ml of juice every day, how many liters of juice does he drink in a week? So students, you all know that 1 week is equal to 7 days. Suman drinks milk every day 550 ml. Therefore, she drinks in 7 days is equal to 550 into 7. So, how we multiply? 7 0 ja 0, 7 5 ja 35, 5 you keep here and 3 you will take. 7 5 ja 35 plus 3 is 38. This is in milliliter, 3850 milliliter. If you want to convert, because question is given how many liters, so to convert into liter you have to divide by 1000, because 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. So 1 ml is equal to 1 by 1000 liter. So 3850 milliliter is equal to 3000 by 1000 is equal to 3.85 liter. Understood? Then take another example of a bus travelled equal distances every day and covered 42 kilometer 672 meter in 6 days. What distances did the bus cover in a day? So, bus covers equal distances every day and cover 42 kilometers 672 meter in 6 days. So 1 day is how much distance the bus covered? So you have to divide it. First you convert the 42 kilometer 672 meter into kilometer. You get 42.672 kilometer. Now you divide by 6, you will get 6 7 ja 42, then 42 minus 40 is 0, then you bring down 6. Now the question 6 1 is 6. So 6 minus 6 is 0. Then now you bring down 7. Again 6 1 ja 6. Then 7 minus 6 is 1. Again bring down 2. 6 2 ja 12. So the required result is 7 kilometer 112 meter. Okay. Thank you.